Hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll and push it out to your audience during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's check it out. Okay, so here I am in a Microsoft Teams meeting with a couple of my buddies. I want to have some fun by conducting a quick poll to see what everyone's thoughts are. So I'm going to go up here and click on chat to make sure that I've got the chat room open. It pops open here on the right hand side, and all the way down at the bottom where all these little icons are, I'm going to look for polls. I'll click here. This will open up a form that I can fill out to create my poll. All right, first I'm going to type in my question. What's the greatest rock and roll band ever? Option 1, the Beatles. Option 2, the Rolling Stones. And I want a third option. So I'm going to click Add Option here, and I'm going to go with Rush. All right, if I want to, I can click Preview right here to see what this is going to look like. Make sure it has the right look and feel that I want. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and click Send so that my attendees can respond. Okay, so when I click Send, you'll notice here off to the right, the poll pops up right in the chat room. My attendees can now select an answer and click Submit Vote. Oh, and I can see we got some results coming in already. All right, that's 2 responses. And guess what? I can also respond. Even though I'm the meeting organizer and I created the poll, I can also participate. I'm going to go with Rush. Submit vote. All right, and down below, we can see the results instantly. It looks like Rush was the unanimous winner. All right, and that is how you use polls during a Microsoft Teams meeting.
If you liked this video, consider subscribing and give it a like. You can also send in tutorial requests in the link in the description.